can see everything. I hope so, because I am really excited to share these junk journals with you. They're kind of constellation, zodiac, I don't know, starry night, horoscopes themed. So I did 4 soft covers and then I did 2 hard covers with charms. So I'm just gonna kind of flip through them and share them a little bit. I'll start with the soft covers. They're traveler's notebook size, so they'll fit in your traveler's notebooks like the standard ones. They may be a little bit bigger just because the trims and stuff, but I try and keep them pretty true to size and slim enough that they're not too bulky. There's still lots of room for you to fill it. This one has this really cool constellation pattern paper on the front, and then I added some fun like trims and ribbons and stuff, and they are sewn together with embroidery thread, so all the pages are stitched together. This one I believe is Taurus. Yeah, see, I have my notes stuck to the back. It is 23 pages, so that's 46 front and back. It has 5 pockets and all of the pockets are filled, so there are, I think, 19 tags in this book. It has like old star textbooks, craft paper, sparkly stuff. This is like cork. It's really, really pretty. I love these medical chart kind of things. They look really cool. And of course, stars. Like I said, there's pockets and flip outs, washi tape. I love this because this book, like I said, is Taurus, and there's little bulls right here. And the star maps, they kind of correlate. Here's a little envelope with some ephemera in it. So I tried to pick things like Taurus and the calendar that's in here, the star map. Here's another pocket. This one, I think April is one of the months that is Taurus. So I tried to include like relevant things and tried to be really smart about what pages I put in here. There's lots of love in these little books. So I'm so excited to share them with you. I love the illustrations and all of the distressing. So this is Taurus. I also have Pisces. Here's my notes. This one is really cool. I love the trim on the front. It kind of looks like waves, and these almost look like sand dollars, like tie-dye sand dollars. I just really love this book. Like I said, it's traveler's notebook size. It's still pretty thin. You can add your stuff to it. This one is 25 pages. It has 7 pockets, and I think that it has 21 tags in it. I love this tag with the stamping. And all of the pages have distressing. There's washi tape, especially like the gold foil accents. I think that just looks so cool. I tried to pick like fish for this one because it's like Pisces and ocean. Cute little pocket here with stuff in it. Again, a star map from 1988, and I think February is one of the Pisces months. I love this. It's a paint chip booklet. It's just a paint chip, and then I filled it with paper. And this is just a little pocket in here. Vintage book paper, vintage textbook paper, like star maps, envelopes. Just so much love, so much cool stuff in these little books, and you can totally cover it, use it however you want. But these pages are so much fun. This is like a little tuck spot. I didn't do too much decorating. I tried to fill the pockets and add distressing, but I wanted to leave a lot of room for you to fill it however you want and to fill it with all your stuff. So they're kind of messy, they're kind of fun, but they're handmade and they have some really cool stuff inside them. So that's Pisces. This is, let me see, Libra? No, Capricorn. Sorry, this is why I need notes. Thank goodness for sticky notes, right? This is Capricorn. It has cute little buttons on it and really cute trim. It's so soft, and it was from the like dollar store. So that's the cover of Capricorn. My stars. It has 25 pages, so that's 50 pages front and back. It has 5 pockets, and they're all filled. I think it has 17 tags in this one. but like it still has kind of the same pages. It's vintage like textbooks, vintage star maps, old medical papers, vintage book text, cardstock, craft paper, scrapbooking paper, just a bunch of random stuff that I kind of put together in a fun little book that has like its own feel. It has a few flip outs, and I don't know, I love it. I didn't do too much decorating. More cork. I like that, that's fun. And another pocket. It's filled with so much good stuff, and then there's still so much room to kind of play with, and stuff in the back also. So that's Capricorn. And then my last one for the soft cover, this is Libra, and it has kind of like florals-ish. So I did this like floral paper and trim with some cool stitching, and this one has 26 pages. It has a few flip outs. Of course it has pockets. This one actually has 5 pockets, 16 tags in total. Has the same pages like scrapbooking paper. This one has a doily, which I just think looks so pretty against the like craft paper. Vintage book text, October sky map from 1988. I love the star maps, they're just so pretty, and then the pictures of the constellations. A really cool security envelope with stuff in it, of course. That one's fun. A nice tall pocket. I love the gold foil. This could totally be used as like for dreams or stars, journaling every day. It could be like a book of shadows, a grimoire. I love these little kind of horoscope, starry night, moody little journals. So that was Libra. And each of these books, so each of the softcover Traveler's Notebooks comes with its own little stationery kit. So that's the softcover journals. If you want to check them out, I will have the link in the description. They will be going up on August 1st, 2018. So let's share. These ones are so much fun. I'm so excited. The hardcover journals for this month. I just did 2 of them. So they have chipboard covers, and like they're more almost like a book, like a real book. So I really love it. They're so beautiful, and of course, since it's a little bit more sturdy, I was able to add charms, and look at all these beads that I was able to throw on here. So that's my favorite part, even though the insides are really awesome. So this is just number 1 and number 2. I tried to keep this one more blues and then this one more greens, but they still have kind of the same pages as all the other journals. So these will be up in Etsy as well. It has a lot of the same stuff like vintage papers, coloring books, textbooks, vintage books, scrapbooking paper, the same star maps. That one's cool. Washi tape accents, flip outs, flip. I just had so much fun. But the big journals, they actually have 2 signatures. So you can see here, 2 signatures up at the top. And this one has just 2, this one has 2 bookmarks. So you can see that there's one on the black and white. Come on. On the black and white string, and then there's also one on the blue string, and they kind of coordinate with each other. They all coordinate together. You can totally cut these apart and use these beads. You can use them in other journals. I don't care. You can make jewelry. I just kind of thought they all went with this journal. So they're just strung in between the signatures, and like I said, there's 2 signatures in this book. How cute is this little pocket? I love it. This is just the second signature. So these books, this one has 43 pages. Like I said, it has 2 signatures, 8 pockets. It has 6 flip outs. This one is an envelope. And of course, it's full of tags and ephemera. I think this one has about 25 pieces of like little tags and stuff that are tucked into the pockets. And like I said, of course, it has the really pretty 2 bookmarks with all the pretty beads, and there's about 30 beads on total on the bookmarks. Flip. I love this gold foil feather. Love it. I think I posted this on Instagram, which is also linked in the description if you guys want to check it out. I post lots of pictures of my journals as I'm working on them. So that's number 1. And then I guess I can show you the cover. I'll have pictures of it on Etsy if you wanted to take like really close-up looks of it, but I wanted to share this video so that you can see the pages inside, because I only have like 10 pictures on Etsy, and doing a video I'm able to show you a little bit more in detail and kind of tell you why I love these journals so much. So this is number 2. Like I said, it is a little bit more greens, so the charms, it only has 1 bookmark, but it still has about 30 beads on it, and it's just so cute. There's like stones and a sun and little wood pieces, turquoise, glittery, dangly charms. It's just so pretty. And there's also a button on the spine. You can totally see it's a little crooked, so yeah, it got a little messed up. I hope whoever purchases this journal doesn't mind that the stitching is super crooked, but again, I just added trim on the front. I really like this lace, and then some more of that trim that I got at the dollar store, and it just looks really cool. I like to rough it up and give it character. Again, everything's distressed, and it's all kind of the same pages as every other book in this series, but this one has 47 pages. Again, it has 2 signatures, so you can kind of see 2 signatures, and that makes it have 47 pages, so 94 front and back. It has, I think, just 3 flip outs, so pages that kind of flip out like that to give you extra real estate, and 9 different pockets filled with over 25 different like tags and pieces of ephemera. I just kind of stuck random stuff in here from my stash. Like, this is handmade paper, and it's just in these tall kind of pockets. It's hard to get back in there on camera because my tripod's in the way. There we go. But those are really pretty handmade pieces of paper. Again, I love the star maps and all the galaxies. And then this is my favorite. It's just a little pocket, but this is my favorite little piece of ephemera that I've added to one of my journals yet. It's just a cute little butterfly, but I don't know, it's just so cute. I love the text on the back, and it just looks like it belongs on like a little wall. It's just so pretty. So I really like this little butterfly piece of ephemera, and I just tucked it inside that pocket. Again, the star maps and scrapbooking paper, textbook paper, cardstock, old textbooks, old vintage books, another tall pocket with more handmade paper in it, a little envelope with stuffs, and of course the bookmark, like I said, it still has like 30 charms on it. So I tried to keep each one kind of similar, but they have their own character and own feel. And this is another piece of that cork, which I just really love. I think it's really fun. So that's the second one. Those are my horoscope journals that I've been working on the last few weeks, I think. So I have the 2 hardcovers. These will be on a separate listing, and then I have the 4 soft covers. And like I said, the soft covers will come with a little stationery kit. So if you liked any of these, if you have any opinion on these, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think. I will be offering free shipping for just this weekend, just to say thank you guys for, you know, your support in my Etsy shop. It's been really fun so far. Lots of work, but really fun, and I just wanted to say thank you. So there will be a free shipping code in the description if you guys want to check out my Etsy. Head over there, favorite my shop, take a look around. And if you want to see more junk journaling videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel or check me out on Instagram, where I'm able to post a little bit more often, and normally I just post about journals. So Head on over there if you want to, or check out my personal page. You know, just stalk me on every platform. But thank you guys, and have a wonderful, beautiful